Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for buffalo chicken pockets. They're so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is 1 can of crescent dough sheets, or you can use your own dough, 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of cream cheese that's softened, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 small red pepper that's chopped, 1/3 cup of buffalo sauce or any sauce that you prefer. I have a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and you need to preheat your oven to 375. So in a bowl, you're going to put your chicken, your spices, the pepper, and your sauce. You're just going to mix that around until they're all coated. So once you have it all mixed, you're just going to set it to the side. So you're going to take your crescent dough and open it up, and you're going to lay it down on the parchment paper and unroll it. So next you're going to take a knife and you're just going to cut straight down. So you want 4 pieces of dough. Okay, and 1 cut straight down the middle. So you end up having 8 pieces. Next, you're going to take your cream cheese, maybe a tablespoon, and spread it onto the dough. So you take some of the chicken and you put it on top of the dough. So it looks like this. You take your mozzarella and you put the mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken. I'd say about a tablespoon. So once you have the mozzarella cheese on top, you're just going to carefully fold it over. So once you have all the dough folded, you want to take a fork and just pierce lightly on each side. You want to just make sure that it's sealed so none of the chicken comes out. So once it's sealed, it's ready to be baked. Now this is going into a 375-degree oven, and it's going to bake between 13 and 15 minutes. I'll show you when it's all cooked. This is what the inside of the pocket looks like. Here you have it, my buffalo chicken pockets, and I'm serving it with ranch dipping sauce. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.